The new BMW F450 GS has officially entered the Indian market. It is offered in 3 trims: base, exclusive, and the top-spec GS Trophy. The base variant is priced at 4.70 lakh rupees ex-showroom, the exclusive at 4.90 lakh rupees, and the trophy variant at 5.30 lakhs. At the heart of the bike is an all-new 420cc parallel twin engine developed by BMW Motorrad in collaboration with TVS Motor Company. With a 135-degree crankshaft, it produces 48 horsepower at 8750 RPM and 43 Newton-meters of torque at 6,750 RPM. The bike can reach a top speed of 165 kilometers per hour. Despite its capability, the F450 GS remains lightweight at just 178 kilograms, ready to ride. This is achieved through a tubular steel frame paired with a hollow aluminum swing arm, balancing durability with agility. Suspension duties are handled by 43mm front forks and a rear monoshock with preload and rebound adjustment. The trophy variant steps things up with fully adjustable front forks, including compression and rebound damping control. The chassis geometry is designed for versatility, featuring a 1465mm wheelbase and 180mm of suspension travel at both ends. It rides on a 19-inch front and 17-inch rear wheel setup, with cast alloy wheels as standard and optional spoked wheels for enhanced off-road durability. A standout feature is the optional Easy Ride clutch, standard on the trophy variant. This centrifugal system automatically disengages at idle and re-engages with throttle input, making slow-speed riding much easier. It works alongside Shift Assistant Pro, BMW's quick shifter system, which allows clutchless upshifts and downshifts, standard on all but the base variant. Safety and braking are top-notch, with cornering ABS, a 310mm front disc with a 4-piston caliper, and a 240mm rear disc. The bike also includes dynamic brake control, dynamic traction control, and engine drag torque control. Riders can choose between rain, road, and enduro modes, with Enduro Pro available on exclusive and trophy variant, offering advanced off-road settings like rear ABS deactivation. The cockpit features a 6.5-inch full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity for navigation, calls, and music. Additional premium features include full LED lighting, a USB-C charging port, and heated grips as standard, rare in this segment. Fuel efficiency is rated at 3.8 liters per 100 kilometers, and the 14-liter tank ensures solid touring range. Ergonomics are flexible, with a standard seat height of 835 millimeters, adjustable between 830 millimeters and 865 millimeters. Riders can further personalize the bike with a wide range of accessories, including luggage systems, crash guards, and different windscreen options. With its combination of lightweight design, modern features, and strong performance, the BMW F450 GS positions itself as a compelling choice in the middleweight adventure segment.